everyone, today I'll show you how to assemble 2 pages for the mini book. Because I'm making totally different book, I have decided that I'm going to bind it differently. I have 2 pages, cover and last page. My pages are 15 by 15 centimeters, so I cut off polyester batting 14 by 14, so a little bit smaller than the page itself. Now take your page, polyester batting, second page. Now first corners, then sides. Because I'm going to make inner spine and outer spine, I'm leaving here open edge, so I'm start sewing from here, 2 centimeters here, 2 centimeters here, and like so, and finish here. But you may sew along the edges from each side, then just install eyelets and use ribbons or binder rings to bind the book. This will be the easy way. Wonder clips, just you may use stationary clips or just baste 2 pages along the edges. This is the page. Same with all pages.